Finances can get complicated, but fortunately, there are accounting firms that can help. After all, an accurate picture of an entity's financial situation is paramount not only to the entity itself, but also to banks and creditors when deciding things such as mortgage rates and what loans an entity qualifies for. We'll explore what recourse a bank had when an accounting firm made a mistake in Citizens State Bank versus Timm, Schmidt & Company. Timm, Schmidt & Company was an accounting firm that prepared financial statements for Clintonville Fire Apparatus for 4 years. For 3 of those years, Timm also included an opinion letter that the financial statements fairly presented the financial condition of Fire Apparatus. Over those years, Fire Apparatus applied for several loans from Citizens State Bank. Citizens relied on the statements prepared by Timm when granting the loans, which totaled approximately $380,000. Soon after, Timm discovered that material errors totaling over $400,000 had been made in financial statements for 2 prior years. Citizens was informed of the errors and demanded its loans be paid. Fire Apparatus was ultimately liquidated and dissolved as a result. Citizens sued Timm in a Wisconsin state trial court, seeking to recover the approximately $150,000 still due on the loans. Timm moved for summary judgment. Timm argued that the firm couldn't be responsible for the unpaid loan because its employees didn't know that the statements would be used with loan applications. The trial court granted Timm's motion. The trial court's decision was affirmed by the Court of Appeals. Citizens appealed to the Wisconsin Supreme Court.